For the 20th straight year, UN General Assembly has adopted a resolution on human rights in North Korea, condemning its systematic and widespread human rights violations. Seung-jae has the details.
The UN General Assembly on Tuesday adopted a resolution condemning North Korea's systematic and widespread human rights violations. And this year's adoption marked the 20th straight year that the UN General Assembly has done so. This year's resolution emphasized the need for the international community to address the human rights situation in North Korea in a unified manner, while expressing concerns over the regime's declaration that the pursuit of reunification with South Korea had ended. The resolution also requests the UN General Assembly's president to hold a high-level meeting to hear testimony from members of civil society and various experts to address the human rights violations and abuses in North Korea. It also included repeated calls for North Korea to end practices and laws that suppress freedom of thought, expression, and religion. And as they have each year, North Korea responded to the passage of the resolution, referring to the regime with anger. North Korea's ambassador to the UN, Kim Sung, said that the North condemns in the strongest terms and totally rejects the draft resolution submitted by the European Union. He called it a grave politically motivated provocation aimed at violating the dignity and sovereignty of its state. Kim also called the resolution nothing but a political plot and an anti-North Korean confrontational document that was completely fabricated with falsehood and distorted information by hostile forces. The UN General Assembly has adopted the resolution on North Korean human rights annually since 2005 to shed light on the regime's human rights violations and to renew calls for Pyongyang to tackle the issue. However, no progress has been made as the resolution is not legally binding under international law. Seung-jae, Arirang News.